You'll need to have scaling systems in place, and that means you having your software, you've got your staff members, you've got your team to support you with your scaling business, because you want to scale your business. You don't want to be stagnant with just you. For example, you want to build your business and have a team in your office. Yes, you've got staff members out on the field, but you need to have staff in your office or remotely. Remote workers are just as good as having someone in the office. If not, it's cheaper for you. You don't have to have an office. If you're doing a recruitment agency, for example, you can have staff workers working remotely. So then you haven't got to pay out all of these things, and your business can scale to a higher level. They'll be happy because they're at home rather than coming into the office every day. And also there's staff sicknesses or more when people mix. We all know the situation with the pandemic, what happened, and people are still getting sick. So, you want to look at what scalable systems you can have.